Hello children, today in this video you will study the third tense, that is present perfect tense. जो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस जो होता है ये ऐसे एक्शन को बताता है जिसके अंत में चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं लगा रहे हैं. Now if we talk about the present perfect tense, it is used to show an action which is recently completed. जो अभी हाल फिलहाल में ख़त्म हुआ हो, ऐसे एक्शन को बताने के लिए we use present perfect tense. The structure for present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus verb in the third form and then object. Has is used with singular subject, whereas have is used with plural subject. For example, मैंने अपना काम कर लिया. Here the subject is मैंने, I, which is considered as plural in tense. So I, that is why auxiliary verb is plural. I have completed, verb in the third form, and the object is my task. In the second example, वह भोजन पका चुकी है. वह is the subject, so that is why she, since she is singular subject, that is why has auxiliary verb is used. Cook, that is third form of cook is cooked, and the object is food. Now let's do the structure for negative tense. That means if the sentence is in negative mode, then how to change it. First you have to use the subject, then auxiliary verb has or have, then just after auxiliary verb you have to use the negative word, that is not, and the verb will be in the third form, verb third, then you have to use the object. Now let us do some examples. राहुल यहाँ नहीं पहुँचा है और राहुल यहाँ नहीं पहुँच चुका है. The subject is Rahul. Rahul. Subject is singular, that is why has singular auxiliary verb is used. Rahul has not. Verb is पहुँचना, that is arrive, arrived, arrived. Third form of verb is arrived. And here for यहाँ. उन लोगों ने मेरा पैसा वापस नहीं किया. The subject is उन लोगों ने, that is they is the subject. Have, that is auxiliary verb, and for negative we have used not, and the verb should be in third form, that is why returned, returned, and returned. Returned what? The object is my money. So now if the sentence is interrogative, that means अगर प्रश्न पूछने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, क्या का प्रयोग सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में कर दिया जाता है, then this type of sentence is known as interrogative sentence. If the sentence is interrogative, then what you have to do is to use the auxiliary verb before the subject. Subject से पहले आपको auxiliary verb का use कर देना है. Now you can see here, क्या वह एक नया कार खरीदा है. Here क्या has been used in the beginning of the sentence or before the sentence. क्या का प्रयोग sentence के शुरू में कर दिया गया for asking question. The subject is वह, he, that is why has auxiliary verb singular is used. Has he bought a new car. क्या मोहन ने उन लोगों को पीटा है. Subject is मोहन, so that is why singular auxiliary verb has been used. Has मोहन beaten, beaten is the third form of verb. Object is उन लोगों को, that is them. Now you can see here guys that if the sentence is both interrogative and in negative, then you have to use first the auxiliary verb, then you have to use the subject, and then you have to use not, and then you have to use the rest, that is verb in the third form and then object. Please do not forget to use question mark. अगर sentence interrogative हो तो question mark का use करना बिल्कुल आपको, you don't have to forget. Let us take some examples. क्या वे लोग एक कहानी नहीं लिखे हैं. और you in different way you can say क्या उन लोगों ने एक कहानी नहीं लिखा है और क्या वे लोग एक कहानी नहीं लिख चुके हैं. So let us do. First you have to use auxiliary verb according to the subject. So the subject is वे लोग, that is plural. They, that is why auxiliary verb should be have, plural. Have they. For negative we have used not, and then we have to use the verb in the third form. लिखना, that is write. wrote and written. What the object is, that is एक कहानी, that is a story. क्या वह तैयार नहीं हुआ है? Auxiliary verb according to subject. Subject is वह, which is singular. He, that is why auxiliary verb here used as has, which is singular. Has he not got ready? Now we are moving to the last. If the sentence is WH, let me tell you what is WH word. That means if there is use of कब, क्या, कहाँ, कैसे, क्यों, like these words, then such sentences are known as WH sentence. They are often used in the middle of the sentence. इनका प्रयोग मुख्य रूप से जो कब, कहाँ, कैसे जो होता है ना चिल्ड्रन, ये सेंटेंस के बीच में प्रश्न पूछने के लिए किया जाता है. अगर सेंटेंस आपका WH हो, then you have to use first WH word, then you have to use the auxiliary verbs, then you have to use the subject, and then you have to use the verb in the third form, and then the object with question mark. Let us take examples as mentioned here. उन लोगों ने आपको क्यों बुलाया है? Here the WH word is क्यों, that is why. After WH word we have to use the auxiliary verb like have. Why have is used? Because the subject in this sentence is they, which is plural. So why have they? Verb in the third form call, called and called. Who the object is? That is आपको, that is you. तुमने क्या खाया है? What WH word has been used here? Then auxiliary verb have, and then subject, that is you, and then we have to use the last what the verb is. Then here eaten is the third form of verb. So guys, this is the structure of present perfect tense. I hope you all must have learned it clearly.